Welcome everybody on my tutorial on how to create a custom avatar. For this tutorial I'm going to be using Adobe Fireworks CS4 in correlation with Easy GIF Animator 5. And granted, you could use your own graphic design and animation software, or you could just use Fireworks to do the whole thing. For me, to make this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use these two programs and integrate them together. First and foremost, we're going to create our new Fireworks document, PNG, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick our aspect ratio for this tutorial. I'm going to make a avatar 150 by 250, and I'm just going to create a simple smiley face. First thing I want to do is next to the text toolbar over here, I'm going to select the rectangle, hold it down, and then pick ellipse. So if I click and drag, I notice that the ellipse, depending on how I drag it, will turn to an oval. It will not maintain its own aspect ratio. So I want to delete that. And a little tip that most graphic design software uses is if you hold the shift key, then click and drag, it will maintain the circle for you no matter how you move it. So I'm going to do that now, and boom, I got a perfect circle. I want to change the fill color to yellow, and I want to go ahead and save that now, and we'll call that Smiley 1 or Smile 1. And then create another ellipse, and we're going to go ahead and add some eyes. So I click and drag, I have an eye created, I Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste, and then I press the right cursor on the arrow board to move it over, press and hold, press it frame by frame, whatever you want to do. And now I have two matching eyes side by side, and I want to create a mouth, so I click and drag, and oh, he's got something important to say. Everybody should listen to him. Look at that. So we say save as, smile 2. Now this is not a tutorial on how to animate or draw things. This is only to show you how to create a custom GIF image to be used as an avatar. So I have my two images saved. The first one was just our generic yellow circle. The next one has our face on it. I open up my Easy GIF Animator, and when I do, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to see this screen. And it's going to request me to add images, and then I get to pick and select where I want to get the images from. For me, I hit cancel by default, and I drag and drop what I want. So I drag our first basic yellow smiley, then I add the mouth. So I add my two different pictures that I saved from Adobe Fireworks, and we can preview it by pressing play. So that guy's saying, whoa, something's wrong. And we can change our frame rate by delaying it, changing our delay. Now if you notice, there's 2 frames, 1, 2, and that gives us our 2 frames. Our delay is half a second, or 51/100ths of a second, which is half a second. So with the 2, that puts us at 1 second total. Now we want to change this. I'm going to say 25 by 25/100ths. So that's going to give us a half a second. And he's going to go, whoa, whoa, whoa. And you got a perfect avatar right there. Next step is go ahead and click File, Save As, and we'll select our desktop here, and we're going to say save it as a GIF image, save, and then we test it. It's going to open it up in your default browser. For this tutorial I'm using Internet Explorer, and there goes our avatar. In my next tutorial I'm going to be showing some text animation tricks and how to resize a picture to maintain its aspect ratio, to maintain its resolution. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for tuning in.